Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I store my leeks in my fridge and how I cut them. There's a few steps to prepping these guys, and just take a little time, and it's definitely worth it. So leeks have got a sweet, mild kind of onion flavor. They are a root vegetable, so they're very, very, very dirty, especially when you get them from the grocery store. So what I'm going to do here is cut that green part off because you don't eat that, you don't eat it, you don't need it. We only need, see, look at that, yikes. And all that dirt is actually in between all those layers in that stalk. So it's very important that we cut them up and rinse all the little pieces that we're about to make. So there's two ways actually that you can clean them. You can just sit there and have them soak in water, in some nice cold water, and just make sure that you get the slimy part and the sand off of each and every little piece that you make. You don't have to cut them up like I'm doing them right now. You can just keep them, you can slice that in half right there and then keep them, in nice even pieces and, run the water through it. That's probably easier than what I'm showing you how to do right now. I just went a step further and minced everything because I just like to have it ready to go like that when I'm cooking with it. Anyway, so what you can do is just, like I said, have them soak in water, or you can run some baking soda over them dry and kind of scrub them with the baking soda and then run some water under there until you feel all the slime and the dirt is off of them. Leeks have a tough texture, so you have to break it down. In most dishes, you have to break it down before you use them. So I'm cutting this one. Oh, thank you, husband. So I'm cutting this in half, and you could just stop there and then run those pieces under the water. But you can already just see the dirt every time I cut them. It's really gross. You've got to take the time and clean these guys properly, because if you don't, you'll be sorry. So this is the part when you would just throw in some baking soda here, and then you scrub them with your hands. Okay, friends, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.